Hi everyone, this is Louisa, the Eat Right Chef. I'm a health chef and a health coach, and I have a business called Eat Right with Louisa. I started this business because many years ago, I was searching for the right diet in order to heal a serious disease that I had. And that was after my father died of cancer. So, I myself went through a health revolution with my own body, and with the knowledge that I found, I am very passionate about spreading it to as many people as possible. And the unique knowledge that I have gained is how to eat according to our bio-individuality. And in my case, I have honed in on eating based on the blood type diet and a more advanced version of it, which takes into account our genetic attributes, health history, family health history, etc. And this has worked brilliant for my health. So I want to spread this knowledge to as many people as possible. Now, there are hundreds of thousands of people who have tried this diet after having read the book Eat Right for Your Type by Dr. Peter D'Adamo, a naturopathic doctor in the United States. But many of them have just dropped out or not been consistent with eating this way, even though they have seen a lot of initial benefits, and those benefits are just amazing. And so I found that one of their biggest struggles is to be able to keep eating the right food consistently. And when people have to go out in restaurants, it's very hard because there are so many ingredients that are not supportive of their health. And also, some people may lack the skills in the kitchen, or maybe they lack the time or ideas. So over the past 8 years, I've actually been showing my cooking, my dishes on social media, on the internet, and I got so much positive response. So now I think that it's time for me to put this knowledge and my cooking skills together and create a product that hundreds of thousands of people will benefit, and ultimately this will contribute to their health. So this is my big why. I want to help people to become healthy in a natural way, in a way that that has been done throughout millennia. Your grandmother was cooking all the time, but in the modern time, people just stop cooking and rely on outside people to cook for you, and then the health just suffers. And so I want to bring this back to people's life, home cooking, and with the right ingredients that support your unique body type. So that is my big why, and I wish you a very good day and to your health. Cheers.